You see they bring the green one back?
Hello Valentino, it's Rob here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2010 BMW S1000RR, which has very low mileage on it. It's 2959, 2,959 kilometers on it. Here's the price including safety, no extra fees. The only extra is a 13% HST, and the licensing is either new plates or just to switch the ownerships and get you new ownership for the new motorcycle. The bike is fully certified, serviced. It comes with the brand new front and the rear tires. They are just brand new. We bought it here. We did oil change as well. It does have some nice frame sliders, Rizoma engine guards. There is a quick shifter on it too, and tinted screen on it. The motorcycle is ready to go and it's available at the moment. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901, and my extension is 212. Thank you.